Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are making these strawberry lemonade cookies. But before we get started, you guys already know what to do. Give me a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more food content. So for this recipe, we're going to need 1 box of lemon cake mix and strawberry cake mix. We are also going to be taking some lemon jello mix as well, just to add a little bit more flavor. Then we are going in with some vegetable oil and 2 eggs. And I was really trying to use a whisk to mix all of this up. Just use a spoon or even your hands to mix this up, because a whisk is not going to cut it. Now I am just going in with juice from half of a lemon and a little bit of lemon extract. And you just want to make sure you have everything well incorporated. And you just repeat the same process with the strawberry cake mix, but for this one I am using some fresh strawberries. So now you just want to take a ice cream scooper and you want to scoop a little of your strawberry mix and your lemon mix just like that, and you want to place them on your baking sheet. And make sure you place them a good distance apart because they will spread in the oven. I would actually recommend using a scoop that's smaller than this, because my cookies came out actually really big and I had to take a cookie cutter to kind of get them a more uniform, smaller shape. So make sure you use a smaller scoop. And I am going to be placing these in the oven at 350 degrees for about 10 to 12 minutes. Now that they're out the oven and cooled off, we are going to be making our icing, which is just some powdered sugar, a little bit of vanilla, and some whipping cream. And as you can see, my icing was a little too thick, so I'm going in with more whipping cream just to thin it out some. And I am just going to drizzle that all over the top of the cookies. And that is literally it for this cookie recipe. It is quick, easy, and simple. Please comment down below if you're going to try this recipe out, or if you already did and how did you like it. These cookies were absolutely amazing and it took no effort at all. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, I will see you in my next video.